Good morning, ma'am.
Hope you all are doing well.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Yes,
Good
ma'am. How
morning.
are you doing?
I'm good, Alhamdulillah. Okay, so what we have done in the previous class?
About
Lambda.
Lambda.
Automation
benefits of
lambda.
lambda
Yes,
and
let's
how
Lambda
to
see
set
what to
maintenance.
say
the
about Lambda.
servers and IAM role and function.
Yes.
In that we dump a code.
Mm-hmm.
After that, event bits.
Yes. Very good. Any doubts in Lambda labs?
Even which schedule?
No.
Okay. So can I proceed with new
Yes, ma'am.
subject? So today we are going to start our next service, that is cloud formation. Cloud formation is also comes under automation. Okay. So how many minutes it takes to launch a server, EC2 server?
Less than a
Milliseconds.
second.
I think within a minute.
How many minutes to
Whenever,
launch a
whenever
EC2
we
server?
create, it will
No,
create an.
less than a minute.
Whenever we
Fraction, I
launch,
think.
it will be created.
Okay.
5 minutes.
2 minutes, 3 minutes, how
Two
many
minutes.
minutes?
2 minutes. 2 minutes,
Okay,
ma'am. It
two
will
minutes.
finish.
2 minutes or one.
Okay,
1 minute.
2 minutes. Let's take 2 minutes. How many minutes it takes to create VPC?
What, ma'am?
VPC.
Virtual private cloud.
Yes.
Less than 5 minutes.
VPC has 5
Like only
minutes. Yeah.
VPC. I'm talking just about VPC.
2 minutes. 1 minute.
Okay, 3 minutes. 2 plus 1, 3. How many minutes
3
it takes to create subnets?
Lots of time.
seconds.
Because they
Depending
don't
on how
take
many
time. Yes,
subnets do
yes.
we have.
Okay, 3 subnets.
No,
3 minutes.
in fractions. I mean, less than a minute.
For some less than a minute. Okay. Sumaya, can you create now VPC and subnets in 60 seconds?
VPC and subnet.
Subnet will take first time, and we have to give that
Yes,
flavor
you need to
See
give
that,
some
see
log
that
in that.
code
You
now,
need to
ma'am. It
be
will
very
take the
careful.
time.
Yes. How
time.
many minutes it takes to create subnets?
3 4 minutes.
3 minutes,
Ma'am.
maybe.
Four
Okay, three
minutes.
minutes. So 3 plus
5
3,
minutes.
6.
6 minutes.
6 minutes.
6.
Okay. How many minutes it takes to create internet gateway?
Internet gateway. It's 2 minutes.
2,
Okay. 6 plus 2,
8.
8.
8.
Okay.
How many minutes it takes to create route table?
Two
It's 1
minutes.
minute, ma'am.
1 minute,
1
less
minute.
than
1 minute.
less
So
than
there are
two
three
minutes.
things, and it
We
routes
have to
and
adjust the
Yes.
route table.
So it takes 3
bound.
minutes.
No,
Yeah.
it takes
Yes.
more time.
Then
Yes.
okay, 5
5 minutes.
minutes.
5 minutes,
So
yeah.
what
5
what's the
minutes.
total time? Total
13
minutes?
minutes.
13.
12 for
Okay.
12
How
or
15.
many minutes
15.
Yeah.
it takes to create NAT gateway, elastic IP?
No, it needs 3 to, no more than 3 minutes.
Okay, so 3 minutes. So 13 plus 3,
16.
16.
16 minutes.
16. Okay. To associate subnets?
2 minutes.
1 minute.
Okay,
1
17
minute.
minutes.
1 to 2 minutes. You should go to subnet, click edit subnet.
Yes.
And all it will take two,
And
2 to
also
3.
you need to be very careful while doing that, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Yes. You need to
Okay,
enable the
so
prior
overall,
permission.
let's take 20 minutes to create this whole infrastructure like
Yeah.
instances,
yeah.
VPC, subnets, internet gateway, NAT gateway, association, everything. How many minutes? Let's take 20
More than
minutes.
20
20
minutes.
minutes.
And also, what we need to do? Yes, more than 20 minutes. And we need to open different windows. First, go to EC2, launch a server, then go to VPC, create VPC, right? We need to open
Yeah.
multiple windows. What if I say, can we create this the whole infrastructure in 1 minute?
It's difficult,
No,
If
ma'am.
there is another way,
difficult.
through automation, you said.
Yes.
That is
So
cloud formation, ma'am.
yes, there is a service that is
Cloud.
cloud formation where you can create the whole infrastructure, you can build the whole infrastructure in 1 minute. Be it EC2, be it VPC, be it S3 buckets, any resources. Any resource you can build in 1 minute by using which service?
Cloud.
Cloud
Cloud
formation. So
Where are you now, Anvetu?
CloudFormation is a fully managed service to build or update or destroy AWS resources very quickly by using scripts, two scripts, yeah, either YAML or JSON from single window. You don't need to open multiple windows. Don't need to go to
అట్లా మిస్
EC2.
అవుతారే
Please mute your mic online.
Diksha.
Sorry.
Mute your mic. Okay, no worries. So you don't need to open multiple windows, just be in CloudFormation and you can build the resources, multiple resources by using one service and a code. Code is basically a script. Which script? YAML or JSON. CloudFormation supports YAML script or JSON script. Clear everyone?
Yes,
Why
ma'am.
we use
Yes,
CloudFormation?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
To manage service or to destroy AWS resource very quickly.
Yes. Even it helps to destroy the resources in 1 minute. You don't need to go to EC2, click and terminate, then go to VPC, delete, NAT gateway, internet gateway, deassociate, release elastic IP. You don't need to do that. Only in one
Okay.
click, in 1 minute, you can delete all the resources by using CloudFormation. You can build or update or destroy any resources very quickly. How? By using two scripts, that is YAML script or JSON script. In this script, we'll define the resources, we'll write in the script, then we can use this script in CloudFormation. Clear everyone?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
JSON is JavaScript
No, it's not Java.
object notation.
No,
And what is YAML?
YAML and JSON.
Yeah,
It's a
YAML.
scripting language.
It's a
We'll
markup
see.
language, but what is Y?
Yes, markup language. We use these scripts in, like we write, we
I
define
know
the
this
scripts, right?
JSON is for communicating between server and the what we say, the web application.
Yes. Oh, this is how the script looks like.
Yeah, it has all the IP addresses and host name.
Mom, we need to learn that script.
No,
for
you
this.
don't need to
No,
learn this
we
script
just
because it's non-coding language, non-coding subject. When you work in a company, your company seniors will give you this script, and you
Okay.
can use this script multiple times in any region. You can use this script, or thousands of people can use the same script. So this is a
So this is a
benefit of
standard script.
CloudFormation, where you can reuse the script in building infrastructure. Clear? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
it comes
ma'am.
under which service model? Infrastructure as a code, IAC. That is infrastructure as a code. We are building infrastructure by using code. That is scripting language. We are building resources by this code. So it comes under which service model?
cloud
IAC.
sorry, in
Infrastructure as a
Infrastructure as
code.
a code.
So in cloud, we use CloudFormation. Other than that, there is an alternative tool that is Terraform. In Terraform also, we build or update or destroy resources by using the script. In AWS, the service is CloudFormation, which helps to build resources in 1 minute. Similarly, the other tools, other than cloud provider, there is a tool known as Terraform, which also helps to build resources very quickly. Clear, everyone?
can you define Terraform once again?
Terraform is alternative tool of CloudFormation. CloudFormation is a service in AWS to build, destroy, or update resources in 1 minute. Similarly, there will be different service in Azure. Azure is also a cloud provider, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So the name of the service will be different to build resources quickly. Similarly, there is a tool like Putty and Puttygen, a software. The software name is Terraform, which helps to build resources quickly. Clear? Other than cloud provider. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Understood,
Yes,
everyone?
ma'am.
What
Yes,
is
ma'am.
cloud formation?
It is a managed service
It is an alternative form of cloud.
and
No,
for
it's
by using
it is
YML or JSON
destroy the
code,
resources quickly.
and it is high speed deployment, and it is an IAC service as a model, and it is a tool called alternative tool, which is in Terraform. Terraform means which we build or update a resource by using script. It is a tool for cloud formation.
Yes, alternative tool.
It's a
Ma'am,
delivering
can I ask you, is it just
access.
building and upgrading, or is it building, updating, deleting, upgrading, all of this?
Yes. You can
Okay.
build the resources, you can also update the resources and destroy the resources in 1 minute.
Okay.
So you don't need to go to EC2 and terminate. You don't need to go to VPC, delete internet gateway, release elastic IP. You don't need to do all this. Just in 1 minute, you can delete the whole resources.
Basically, we are handling resources, you can
Yes.
say.
Yes.
Then what
So-
is the use of man? Then what we have
Yes,
created the
very good
huge
question.
services
Very
now.
good. Yes. When I have also learned, when I was learning, I had the same question. So see, we are building resources, right, with cloud formation.
Yes.
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 Without learning resources, how can we build?
True.
True.
Yes.
Yeah.
Without
Yes.
knowing what is EC2, what is VPC, what is CIDR blocks, what is regions, private subnet, public subnet, right?
Ma'am, this is called
Yeah.
True.
ma'am.
You know about it now. Then.
Yes, you should know about the resources. So if you cannot use cloud formation, you can do
Without
it manually.
And cloud formation is a separate service by AWS, and
Yes,
these are
it's a
all
separate
separate
service of-
services.
Yes,
In cloud formation, we are using them as a resource,
yes. You are building the resources.
building the resource.
Clear? Any doubts in this?
It's also one of the service of AWS.
Yes, it's one of the service of cloud formation.
Yeah, ma'am.
And it's the
JSON
mostly
code.
used service. Mostly used service in companies. And it's very easy.
So,
The script you will
easy.
get from your seniors. Just in 3 steps or in just 2 or 3 steps, you can build the resources. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And what's the resource of Lambda?
Automation to automate
The
the
resource of Lambda.
Functions are there now.
Clusters,
Functions or resource of
functions and event bridge.
functions, yeah.
Event bridge.
No, functions
Servers,
is
top
the
level
resource
functions.
of Lambda. Like
Lambda.
instance is the resource of EC2.
EC2.
Bucket is the resource of S3. Similarly,
S3,
in
yeah.
cloud formation, stack is the resource of cloud formation.
Stat.
Stack.
Stack. S-T-A-C-K. Okay.
Yes.
Stack.
Stack is a resource of
Resource.
cloud formation. Clear, everyone? This slide? Why
Yes,
we
ma'am.
use cloud formation? By using
Terraform
which?
is an alternative tool, and Stack is a resource.
Its stack is a resource, and it comes under infrastructure as a code service model, and it the resources, the languages, which languages it supports: CloudFormation, YAML, and JSON. Just 2 languages.
Ma'am, stack is last in first out, na ma'am. That's
Sorry?
procedure. Stack is that in Java we use last in first out. Oops
Yeah.
concept.
Yes.
Yes.
But here it's just stack. No, that stack is different. This is different. This is the name. Just a
Name.
name.
Okay.
One word may have many meanings, right?
Yeah.
So here the stack is the resource of cloud formation. In stack, we are going to upload the script. We are going to dump the script. which is written in YAML or JSON. Clear? Yes?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, so now the benefits of CloudFormation is the script, we can use this script many times. It's reusable and easy operations. Just in 2 steps, you're going to create the whole resources, whole infrastructure, fully automated, no human interference. You don't need to do everything manually. It's fully automated. Just dump the script, create the stack, you're going to build the resource. And auto code validate while creating stack. So when you create while creating stack is the resource of CloudFormation, right? So you need to create stack first. So while you create the stack and when you dump the script, that is script is known as template here. So when you dump the template, if there are any bugs in template, you will get to know. So it validate the templates while creating stack. And fastest deployment, very fast, very quick. You can create the resources and it saves the lots of time, right? You're saving 20 minutes, 25 minutes. If you want to launch 10 servers, you want to launch 10 VPCs, if you want to launch multiple subnets, you can do it only in 1 minute. Just you need to write it in the script. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, so now we can build infrastructure in many regions. You can use the same script to build resources in many regions. And use case, build stack of dev environment, testing environment, production environment very quickly. If you get a ticket to developer environment, they want infrastructure, they want the servers, networks and all. So they will request to Cloud Engineer. Cloud Engineer, by not wasting time, by doing manually 20-25 minutes, only in 1 minute, they can build the resources and give it to dev environment. And you can also update any AWS resource with just 1 click and destroy AWS resources with 1 click. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is CloudFormation is a service, right? Yes or no? It's a service.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So the resources are also the services, right? EC2, VPC, they are the service. Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes,
Yes.
So
ma'am.
if service want to communicate to service, what we need?
Role.
Yes, very good. So in labs, what are we going to do now? We are going to create
Create
IAM
stack.
role. We are going to build EC2 VPC by using YAML script. And we are going to delete it. Clear?
Does this charge,
Yeah,
ma'am?
I'm ready for
No,
third
it
slide.
does not charge. But CloudFormation does not charge. But the resources will charge. The resources
Okay,
which you are
Ma'am, can you
creating by
repeat
EC2.
the
using
steps, please?
CloudFormation will
Based on
charge.
the resource, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you go for use cases, ma'am? I'll just write 2 points.
The theory is very easy. Like in three sentences, you can define the whole CloudFormation. Right?
1 minute, ma'am.
So I am giving you all 5 minutes. Just revise. Then we'll start with labs.